There's one question that men ask more than others, and that's how to wear jeans with jackets. I need to get changed. It is always a good idea to start off with a nice, clean, white shirt, preferably made to measure with some, your names or emblems or anything like that written on it. Then we're going to have jeans. So what do we do here? We're also going to add a bow tie. This is going to be one of our bow ties that we've got and put on the market recently. So it's going to be self-tie, bow tie. I think that mustard one is going to work well, or whatever that colour is. Colourblind, don't forget. No one knows. No one knows what that colour is, so we're going to be using that. Right, so we're going to do this. And I know that my size for bow ties is around 15.5 or 16, so we're going to be doing that. What we need to do is make a little bow. How it's going to work out, I don't know, because I've got no mirror. But I think we're going to be there. Well, there is a mirror here. Yes, I know. But doing that without a mirror, it could be actually more challenging. Is that good enough? I don't know. That is some skill without looking. Look at this. Look at this. That'll do. Yes. We are doing a video about jeans and casual wear or suits. We obviously need a suit jacket. This one again is one of ours, one of men's finest jacket. Made to measure, just so it fits us properly. Okay, probably last thing that we need here, if we want to keep the outfit still kind of casual, we would have to figure it out a pocket square. Most likely that's going to be very subtle white, maybe cream. I need to figure something out. Yes. So what we're going to do is quickly put it together like that, and more or less we are ready to go, because now let's talk about the importance of jeans and jackets and shirts and bow ties. So there is that notion within especially this sort of startup community where they're sort of growing from 1 to 2 to 20 employees, to trying to figure out to show who is the main guy in the business, and very often that happens by showing off a bit of style. So you can have your jacket put over your your made-to-measure shirt, or you actually upping up the style by using bow tie or a pocket square or something like that. So very often these guys at the very top end of those technical startups, they would want to look differently, and they would want to look a bit nicer, hence most likely they're going to be wearing a combo like that. So what's the best jacket to do this kind of job? Well, usually it's nicer if it's thicker material, if it's wool, if it's kind of different to everything else. But I would also say that this particular jacket is part of a suit, so also that could be broken down and you can easily wear that jacket with your jeans. Also, the entire outfit could be a bit more tricky if, for instance, you would want to add a waistcoat to it. So waistcoat is basically another level of panache, so you have to be careful there, because all of a sudden you could be dressed up too nicely. What else can you do with your jacket if it's made to measure jacket? Well, for instance, you can open up all of your sleeves, so when you do that you can actually do anything like that. If it's hot or anything, you can actually bring those sleeves up to sort of make it look more casual, or just get rid of the jacket altogether. And of course, don't forget the pocket square. This time we are using our cream pocket square that obviously could be folded in any sort of different ways. You can see the link below to our website and to the shop where you can buy this. But basically it needs to be subtle, because everything else is going to scream for attention, so you have to make sure that your pocket square is actually fit in that scenario. So it needs to be subtle and kind of hidden. There'll be another video that you're going to see just up here of us doing the lookbook in Liverpool city centre as usual, so you can just see the whole outfit in action. It's beautiful weather outside today, so we're definitely going to take advantage of that. But let me know what you think about pairing jeans with sort of either dress shirt or casual shirts and then a suit jacket. Where does that fit in your sort of comfortability level? Do you like this? If you don't, what would you wear instead? If you still want to be sort of dressier and dress up slightly, but you don't want to wear a full suit, what do you normally wear these occasions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, stay stylish. Ciao.